Conclusion. Every single one of us has a vision for our future that we would like to turn into a reality. No matter what those goals might be, there are several steps in common that anybody can take to make it possible to achieve those goals and to make those dreams of the future into something tangible. We are all capable of taking the steps that we need to take in order to become the best possible versions of ourselves. Although it can be a challenge, there is nothing that dedication to our own self-improvement can't solve. Every improvement, no matter how incremental, can help us to move mountains and achieve things we may have never believed possible before. If you want to become the master of your destiny, by following the advice in this training, you will find yourself well on the way to accomplishing the goals that you may have been too afraid to pursue before your awakening. It is more than just possible to accomplish your goals. It is vital. We were each born with a special purpose, with talents and passions that were finely tuned to creating a better world and a happier life. If we aren't doing everything in our power to see those passions translate into our reality, then the truth is that we are not only robbing ourselves, but we are robbing the rest of the world of the beauty that only we can bring into the world. Fortunately, if you have made it this far into the training, then you will know by now that you are more than capable of mastering your destiny. Taking the steps you need to take to be the best version of yourself will completely change your life. All you have to do is to believe it.